Welcome. In front of me is a MICROSFT Surface Duo, and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, number one, I'm gonna change the brightness just so it stops flickering. There we go. So number one, you want to hold the power key, and when you see the boot options right here, make sure you hold power off. When you hold it, it will then change into this message right here, reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Now, let's confirm it, and while this is rebooting, I'm going to quickly just describe what this mode is for. So, booting your device into safe mode is designed for troubleshooting. So if you have some kind of problem with your device, if battery is draining too quick or something is just malfunctioning with it, you can boot it into safe mode, and that will basically prevent any kind of application that you have installed from interfering with the device. So if you have maybe a suspicion that some kind of application is causing you problems, in safe mode, that application will have basically no business running, and well, to be fair, it won't even be able to start. All the applications that come pre-installed with the device will function correctly without any problem, minus the widgets. As you can see, widgets are disabled. Let's see if we have any kind of application that is turned off. Nope. It looks like all the applications here are accessible. Now, the way you can figure it out which application you can use and can't is apps that are disabled in safe mode will be basically monochrome, grayed out, and if you try to open them up, it will just give you a pop-up somewhere right here saying that the application in safe mode cannot start or something along those lines. So anyway, once you're done with the safe mode, all you need to do to leave it is hold the power key once more, and this time around tap on restart. And once the device reboots, it will be back in normal mode. And now that the device is back on, you can see that it is in normal mode. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.